Today is the best opportunity for all of you interested in the digital asset investment gathering here this morning to listen and learn from a wide array of speakers who will bring a range of business prospects to your attention.
我们新加坡 Onexpo International Private Limited 新加坡国际艺展公司联合北美 Quarkchain 金火区块链孵化基地发起这场活动 ，Immense 打造无限潜力。我们的愿景是让更多的海内外朋友们关注到真正的东盟市场，听到真实正确的声音和信息，实现共同走向全球化。
So I just want to say, blockchain is disrupting the world of finance. And this is a chance for Thailand to be a part of that disruption.
I think the summit happens at a really right time. This issue have been on priority list for in many forums, and I think it's good to exchange ideas and share insights from many countries. So really useful.
This event helped us a lot to understand what is a regulation, what is a trend in the world, in Asia, in even Singapore to drive.
我们跟泰国目前的11家大学在跟他们合作培训，就是说区块链技术开发的一些人物。明年会开了区块链的课，在大学是一种选修课，就是为了把这个环境呢做起来。然后呢，第3个业务现在开了一个区块链研究院，主要的是研究应用区块链如何在商家去真正的开展。
This event brings people from all over the world into Thailand, into Bangkok to help develop the global blockchain community.
We're very excited about next year and the opportunities in Southeast Asia. Thailand is definitely one of them.
I think right now also it's a time that a lot of projects and companies and funds, exchanges are trying to explore new markets. And I think Thailand, which is kind of the gate to Southeast Asia, is a perfect location.
So we are keen to accept the investment or any activity from even China, Europe or America to get involved and help us to develop tourism industries together.
And I hope we'll have one more event from the ASEAN Digital Asset Summit in 2019 as well.